guys, Droplet here, and sorry it's loud, the background. I am right beside a highway on a bridge, but I'm going to go see if these birds will not fly away when I go down. So that's why just gotta be quiet now. Shh. Sorry, I'm trying to watch my step. I'm not watching the camera. These are pretty old stairs. Bro, look, they're not flying away. I can't zoom in. I'm just gonna very quietly go over here. Okay, gotta be quiet. Sorry about my mother. It's fine. Sorry. Crap. It's kind of rocky over here, so I gotta be careful. Ah, crap. One flew away. Two flew away. This is as close as I'm gonna get right now. I don't know if you can see. Have a good day, y'all. Bye.